Faceless content creation has been a big breadwinner for the girlies on Pinterest for a long time, and not a lot of people know about it. So due to popular demand, we're going to dive right into it because there is so much money, again, to be made on the Pinterest platform as a creator 100% faceless. So if you are a shy girly, an introvert, or you're afraid of just putting yourself out there when it comes to creating content, trust me, the audience is already looking for you and you can get in front of them. I have been studying Pinterest for over a decade. When I tell you all of the things that I've learned about the platform all go back to the point of the consumer looking for their next purchase, I really mean that. Kind of going back to my story of it all, I started Pinterest in about 2013. I started off with looking for my prom dress, essentially. I was looking for a specific product. I went to search for inspiration on how to style it, how to wear it. I came across a product that was my dream dress, and I literally made a purchase directly from the platform. Now, as that went on, I also was growing a Pinterest account. I had a Faceless account, and I would show my outfits of the day. Now, jumping to 2019, 2020, I was getting notifications of people asking where I got these items from, all the way from those pins posted all that time ago. So here's how you're gonna do the exact same thing in 2025. First things first, you want to establish a niche. I know it sounds like a broken record, but trust me, you need your niche because it's going to be what you're talking about, it's going to be what you're passionate about, and it's going to be what your audience is already searching, which is going to make it a lot easier for you to determine who it is that you want to be speaking to. Now, no matter what type of creator you are, no matter what niche you're in, trust me, there is a way to monetize the Pinterest platform. You can do it with music, you can do it with art, you can do it with clothes. You want to be a fragrance influencer, whatever it is that you want to do, your niche is in demand. Next thing we're going to focus on is how we want to start monetizing the platform. Now, again, what I was talking about in my previous video, you don't need a huge following in order to do this. Brands are already searching for you. Users are already searching for you. And a lot of brands are starting to get onto the Pinterest platform because of the longevity of your content and the return on investment that they will receive specifically from collaborating with you. Now, this is because with your content that you create for a brand as they're partnering with you, the usual timeline of any sponsored content on social media, again, is about 24 to 48 hours, up to a week, sometimes at max a month. But with Pinterest, your content ranks for a longer period of time. So because of that, the brands are more likely to partner with you there because you can start making them sales not only when your content launches for that collaboration, but also weeks, months, and years later, just because of the natural lifespan of content on the Pinterest platform. Now that you've got your niche and the understanding of why brands would want to collaborate with you in the first place, we can focus on content and how you choose to monetize it specifically. Now, you can monetize Pinterest as a faceless creator multiple different ways. If you want to share products that you enjoy, you can do affiliate marketing. If you want to grow and build a community, you can lead people off of the Pinterest platform to other platforms such as Discord, newsletters, Facebook groups, even just like my student Leah here, who scaled and grew a Facebook group up to 10,000 members, all from the Pinterest platform, 100% faceless. Because again, she chose a niche, she chose value-based content, she led her audience there, she became a Pinterest creator that way. Again, as a Pinterest creator, as a Pinterest influencer, you can also be face forward. So you can be the face of your account and you can show up to audiences, sharing your favorite products, again, recommendations within your niches, and still collaborating with brands that way. Now, again, the most important thing is establishing your niche because this is how you're going to be determining how it is that you would want to be monetizing the platform, where it is that you want to be leading your audiences to. We see so many content creators and influencers on here that are monetizing their platforms multiple different ways, all the way from brand partnerships to their personal products, personal brands, digital products, and even things like AdSense, which you can also do as a faceless creator if you wanted to drive traffic from Pinterest to a blog. Yes, you can get monetized on blogs. I have also multiple students that are monetizing their blogs from the Pinterest platform. So all of this to say that you absolutely can be 100% faceless as a content creator on the Pinterest platform with the same framework of anyone that is a face forward creator on here. The way that you're presenting the content would just be a little bit different. But again, you can do faceless videos, infographics, photos. You can even have a Pinterest theme account where you have specific topics that you focus on and they lead people off of the Pinterest platform to value-based information. That again is allowing you to monetize your thoughts and your words based off of a specific niche. Now, I've gotten a lot of questions about you all that have Pinterest accounts already and you want a specific strategy on how to monetize the platform based off of your passions, your impressions, and what you're already doing. So I do offer one-on-one audits. It is a specific breakdown of your account down to an action plan for the next steps for you to monetize the Pinterest platform. So if you want to go grab one of those, feel free to do so. It is a video call, so you'll also get get a recording of that call. And then I also have Pinterest Prosperity that teaches you all things Pinterest, how to understand the platform so that you're monetizing it correctly and monetizing it again, however it is that you decide to do so. I have multiple students in multiple niches monetizing it in so many different ways. But yeah, you guys, this is your plan on how to become a faceless creator on the Pinterest platform, monetize your passions, monetize your knowledge and the things you already like doing without having to have a huge audience in order to do so. All of the people that I talked about previously are monetizing, getting brand deals and collaborations with under 1,000 followers, some even under 200 followers. So it's absolutely possible. Don't let anyone tell you you can't do it. You got this, and congratulations again.